Shri Sai Ram. My humble salutation at the lotus feet of Bhagwan and respected Mr. Chakravarti, Chairman, and brothers Ratnagar Managing Trust. So, and also good morning, and thank you so much for coming to my this speech, and my brother and the sisters. So I'm really happy to hear. This is my first time visiting in this ashram, and it's really such a wonderful place. I can say the heaven, the pure land. So, because during this my visiting, I stay here, I seen many things, I hear many things. So everything is pure, everything is really like lovely. I attended to the morning prayer and evening prayer. So there times my mind is no distraction. It's very totally peaceful and calm. No negative emotion thinking. So this is really, I am believe it is a blessing from the Bhagwan Sri Sai Babaji. So this is really amazing. And I saw here everybody is really something lovely, kindness and friendly. You know, this is a blessing from the your master, your Bhagwan, whatever we say, the Buddha, God, whatever, doesn't matter. So this is you have to think this is a blessing, you know. No need special blessing like latu, barfi. So, and also today is a very special day. Tomorrow, whatever, is Buddha Purnima celebration. And thank you so much inviting me to this ceremony by the Sri Satya Sai Seva organization. So this is a great opportunity for me in my life. I'm so happy. And also, actually, I'm a Buddhist follower, but I'm always in my mind, you know, I believe God, Buddha, Bhagwan, whatever, is the same. Only different decoration, ornament, name, the words. The main point is the same. I learned Buddhist teachings since I was a child. And also, I have many friends from Hindu, Muslim, Christian. So I discuss and talk it about the teaching and the practice is similar. For example, here's talked by the Bhagwans and love all, serve all. So we can see there on the bottom and this is a really powerful word. In the Buddhist teaching, no more than this. You know, this is a really important word and a powerful word. Also mention the help ever, heart never. And head is in the forest, hand in the society. So really powerful. This is I got it, you know, this what we call precious word during my this visiting. So this is one I want to take with me in my life. Also, I want to walk with these words. I want to tell advice to my student. So this is a really powerful words. No need more than this word. And Buddha taught and compassion and love and non-violence. So this is included in this word. No differences, only different little bit of words, like compassion, love. Love is compassion. Compassion is love. Without compassion, couldn't do love. Without love, there are no compassion. So this is something like milk and water is mixed. We couldn't separate it. So it's very important. And especially, I got experience during this my visiting in this big ashram and big society. So those all the people is working, serving voluntarily, no salary, no payment. This is a really great generosity. Not only for your family, not only for your friend, for your country, for your world. This is really important. Thank you so much, everybody. And also, usually the Buddhas, Bhagavans, God is taught many things. But we always saying in the words, no action. So you are doing here is not only words, is you're doing action. Means I hear there's big hospital and a big college, university and school, healthcare and educations. So it's really such a wonderful work. So this is really your real follower of your Bhagavan and your master. So I'm very happy. And thank you so much. And also you do continue really to serve this society, this ashram, this organize is really is important for your country, for this world. And many young children, and they couldn't get education. Many poor people, they don't get medical treatment, very suffering, lots of suffering. But you are doing is totally free. This is unthinkable. Something like for me is very huge. It's not just small group, small people. It's the lots of big populations is helping. And thank you so much. And we are monks. Also same, I am living in the monastery. So since 1979, I served to the monastery, for the monastery education side. So there are no payment, no salary. It's totally, it's voluntary. Similar in the other monks in the office, in the kitchen, everywhere the monks helping, serving for the monasteries to other peoples. So same, we are doing same like work. This is also very important. If we pay, it's a lot. We couldn't get something this big money. And the monks, many people don't know monks. What kind is the monk? What is the monk? The monks actually there's many levels. The main monks vows there's four subject. Is and no killing human being, especially, and not stealing, and no sexual, And the fourth one is not lying. This is the main four vows. It's important. If this four part of the four broken, then no more monk. And there is many branch. So anyways, so here I'm very, very happy to hear and very shanti, peaceful, everything's, each other respecting and very friendly. And especially here, no sin, the differences, religiousism. So everything here is Buddha's pictures, statue, everything. This is really important for our world. And united religions, different religions. Then it's a big, powerful and helpful for your world to be peaceful. So anyways, I'm very happy to hear, and I would love to come again and again to hear, and allow us to be your host. I invited you all to my monasteries. Allow us to be your host, and you are all say Baba for me. And thank you so much. And again, I have to say thank you so much to the Dr. Sanjay Agarwal. He is a really, really great doctor. He is helping lots for my monastery monk. It's no charging, even the surgery. It's really, really great generosity, and he brought us to here. This is the heaven, pure land. So this is a great. We are very fortunate, and thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay Agarwal, and thank you, everybody, and Om Sri Sai Ram, Om Sri Sai